Hello kids, welcome back to online classes. My name is Renuka Devi. I am handling grade 2. I am your English mentor. Yes, today we are going to study lesson number 3. So first open your English textbook, page number 31. Yes, page number 31. So, in these pictures, you can see the things. Here, you can see things. Which 4 things do you need to make a cake? Which 4 things do you need to make a cake? Draw lines between 4 of the ingredients that and the mixing below. So, which all ingredients you need to make a cake? In this ingredient, first we need sugar. Sugar is here. Yes, here is a blank place. So, write there sugar. Write there sugar. Next ingredient we need is flour. So, where is it? It is here. So, next you write flour. Again, what ingredient do we need to make a cake? Yes, in this, can you guess? The third ingredient that we need to make a cake? Yes, very good. That is egg. Next ingredient to make the cake is eggs. Okay, the last but not the least, the last ingredient that we need to make a cake is butter. I hope you all like butter a lot. So, next ingredient that we need to make a cake is butter. Yes? So, what all we need to make a cake? Sugar, flour, egg and butter. So children, today the lesson number 3 we are going to study is Little Mouse Bake a Cake. Lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson number 3? Little Mouse Bake a Cake. What is a mouse baking? It wants to bake a cake. Who wants to bake a cake? Little mouse. Yes? So, turn your page. Page number 32. Turn a page. The number of the page number is 32. So, children, point out, keep a finger, your little finger when I am reading a book. Yes? Shall I start reading? Yes. Little Mouse, Raven and Crane live together in their cozy little house. They work together very well most of the time. Who all were living together? Mouse, Raven and Crane. Raven is crow, Crane is bird. You can see here. Raven is a crow and Crane is a bird. And here is a mouse. One morning, Little Mouse woke up thinking about cake. What did the little mouse think when it woke up in the early morning? The little mouse thought of baking a cake. Let us make a cake today. I love cake, said Raven. Me too, said Crane. So, what did the little mouse think? The little mouse thought of baking a cake. You all also like to eat cake, no? Yes? So, even the little mouse also thought of baking a cake. So, when the little mouse said that today I would like to bake a cake. So, what did the Raven and Crane said? They also said, yes, even me too. Both of them said, even we also are thinking to eat a cake. Who will go to town to buy the flour? Not me, said Raven. I am busy. Not me, said Crane. I am busy too. So, when the little mouse asked the Crane and Raven to go to market, what did they say? They both replied that we are busy. So, we cannot go to the town to bring the flour. When I will go myself, said little mouse. And she did. So what did little mouse said? Okay, if you don't want to go to town and bring the flour. So I will go to town and bring the flour. So she went to town and she bought the flour. Little mouse went to the store. She bought the flour. She came home again. Here is the flour. Now, who will make the cake mixture? So, when the mouse went to town and she bought the flour, so she asked the Crane and the Raven that who will mixture it? So, not me, said Raven. I am still busy. Not me, said Crane. I am still busy too. Then I will make it myself, said the little mouse. So when the little mouse asked, I have went to store and I have bought the flour. So who will mix it and who will make the cake? So what did the Raven and the Crane said? We are still busy. So we cannot mix it. So what did little mouse say? Okay, I will do it. And she did. Little mouse put in some flour, she put in some eggs, she put in some butter, she stirred the mixture until it was smooth. What did the little mouse do? First, she took a bowl, she put an flour in it. What did she put? She put an egg. Yes, can you guess? Very good. She put a butter in it. Next, and she stirred, mixed. She stirred until it was smooth. The mixture is ready. The mouse said, the mixture is ready. Now, who will put into the oven? Not me, said Raven. I am still busy. Not me, said Crane. I told you I am busy. So, when the mouse has mixed all, what all things did the mouse put in the and mixed? The mouse has put flour, egg, butter, and again water. She has put these three things, and what did she do? She stirred until what? Until it become smooth. And after that, she said to Raven and Crane that the flour is ready. sorry, the mixture is ready. So who will keep this mixture in the oven? So what did they say? They said, we are busy, yet we are busy, so we can't keep the mixture in the oven. Little mouse made her oven very hot. She poured the mixture into a cake tin. She put it in the oven. Little mouse switched on the oven and made it hot. And she poured the mixture into the cake tin. Yes, she poured into the cake tin. And she kept in a oven. Soon the cake was ready to eat. Yes, when she kept into the oven and the cake was ready to eat. The cake is ready. Now, who will eat it? I will, said Raven and Crane. When the mouse said, the cake is ready, who will eat it? You'll say, no, when your mother prepare a cake or some other dish that you like, she asks you, who will eat it? You'll say, me, yes, no? I will eat it. In the same way, Raven and Crane said that, me, I will. Oh, no, you will not. The mouse said, oh, no, you will not. Said little mouse, you watched while I went to the floor. You watched while I made the cake mixture. You watched while I baked the cake. So, you can watch while I eat it. And so, here, when the Raven and Crane said, I will eat. So, what did the little mouse say? Oh no, you can't. When I went to bring the flour to the shop, you said you were watching. You were watching. And when I mixed it, then also you were watching. And when I asked you to keep the mixture into the oven, you were watching. So now when I am eating the cake, you will watch. So you can watch while I eat it. And they did. So they even watched. The little mouse ate all the cake. The Raven and the Crane were watching like this. They were sitting and watching. The little mouse ate all the cake and they both were sitting and watching. She sat down and ate the cake. Right up, all of it. So the little mouse ate all the cake. What is the moral of the story? That we should work together. Yes? So, students, I hope you have understood the lesson. Read the lesson as many times it's possible. Thank you.